Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Among Us on Xbox. First, you'll need to acquire the game. Among Us is readily available for purchase digitally through the Xbox Store. If you have an active Xbox Game Pass subscription, you might find it included, offering a great way to jump in. Before downloading, make sure your console has enough space. The game typically requires around 250 megabytes of storage. Once downloaded, you're ready to launch and play. Among Us offers several ways to play, including local, online, and free play modes. For online matches, you can join games with anywhere from 4 to 15 players, fostering dynamic social deduction. When it comes to controls, movement is handled with the left stick, while the button is your primary interaction tool for tasks and confirming selections. The right stick is used to control your cursor, which is essential for navigating menus and completing various tasks. In Among Us, each player is randomly assigned one of two crucial roles: a loyal crewmate or a deceptive imposter. As a crewmate, your main goals are to complete all assigned tasks around the map and work together to identify and vote out any imposters. Imposters, on the other hand, aim to covertly sabotage the ship and eliminate crewmates without being discovered. Emergency meetings are a vital part of the game, allowing players to discuss suspicions and vote on who they believe the imposter might be. To increase your chances of winning, consider these tips. If you're a crewmate, focus on completing your tasks efficiently and keep a keen eye on other players' behavior. As an imposter, your best strategy is to blend in, pretend to do tasks, and use sabotages at opportune moments to create chaos or isolate targets. Effective communication during emergency meetings is key for both roles. Always pay close attention to visual tasks and how players move around the map to gather crucial information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.